AMBA gave a classic setup today, something we teach in the chat room, and we traded it nicely today. You can see the volume here. I mean, look at these volume sticks. These are 5-minute candles, and if you just compare it to yesterday's volume, right? First, look at the size of that move, and look how these candles. Yesterday, you don't have anything even close to that. So you know, all right, look at the height of the volume candles. Whoops, from what would be Thursday. Versus this morning. So you already know something's going on. Now I don't want to chase this, and by the time I saw it, it just went on a chart, right? Oh, and couple that with, I'll bring over the smaller version of the daily chart. It was breaking out above this nice sideways base on the daily chart. So we had a breakout in progress, but you don't want to chase it. A great way to enter, and is how we called it in chat today, waiting for the pullback. Okay, now you got two red 5-minute candles. And it's nearing, I like to try to grab it near the 8-period moving average 5-minute candles. But when I know I've got a strong stock in breakout mode, and that first sell-off, if you will, or pullback, I really want to try to get in. Generally what I'll do is I'll use kind of an X-ray technique and get away from the 5-minute candles and go to a smaller time frame. Basically, I usually default to 2-minute candles, which I've switched to right here. And what I hope to get, and I got here, was just a clean stair-step looking pullback, right? And then even had a nice little bottoming tail and a green candle there, kind of a hammer, I guess. So I just went ahead and called it long in the chat room over this candle's high, 27.01, 26.72 stop, and that was it. That was the low of the pullback. And from 27.01, you can look at the daily now, went all the way to 28.82. So basically a $1.80 move in our favor on about 29 cents risk. And that is generally what we call, the pullback to the 5.8. If I switch to 5s, you can see it there, right? There's the blue line is the 8-period moving average. We call it the 5.8 because we're using 5-minute candles, 8-period moving average. Use 2-minute candles for the entry and a beautiful bounce. And that way we didn't have to just buy it right at the 5.8, right? Because at that point it was still going down, and for all we know it's going to reverse the entire move. So we used the 2-minute candles and waited till they gave us an entry in our direction, and it worked out perfectly. Have a great weekend, guys.